Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Waze and making sure you're signed in so places sync across devices. Search the address bar or press and hold any point on the map to drop a pin. This is how you capture an exact location. Once the place card pops up at the bottom, swipe it up to reveal details. Make sure the pin matches the place you want to save before proceeding, because accuracy matters for later navigation and sharing. Once the place card is visible, tap Save or the three-dot menu to reveal saving options. Select favorites, want to go, or create a new custom list to organize locations. This helps you find places quickly later. After saving, edit the place name, choose a category, and add a note such as parking details or an apartment number. These edits make the place more useful. Make sure to confirm changes so the saved entry reflects exactly what you expect. To use the saved place, open your places from the main menu or settings and pick the list you saved it to. Tap the item to navigate immediately or use Share to send it to someone else. If the saved place doesn't appear, first make sure you're signed into the same account and that background sync is enabled. If problems persist, delete any duplicate pins, drop a fresh pin on the correct spot, then save again. That usually resolves mismatches or missing entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.